Hello, this is Sabrina. I am back with another question. This one is on reconstitution. Your patient was ordered Augmentin 75 milligrams PO now. You need to reconstitute the medicine and administer the correct dose. What you have is below. How much diluent will you add? How many milliliters will you administer? So we've got a two-part question here. We have how much diluent will you add and how many milliliters will you administer? So we know that they want milliliters. So I'm going to add a little line for that to remind myself what I'm working towards. That's my goal. So let's talk about the first part. The diluent means that you have a vial and it's full of powder, but you need it to be administered in a liquid form. So you're going to add the liquid. Some medicines are not stable if they're stored in a liquid form. Sometimes it just extends the shelf life and the medicine is active longer if it's stored in a powder form. And once you add the water to it, it probably goes bad pretty fast, typically. So we're looking at mixing. To answer this question, we can go to the label. So we have directions for mixing right here on the left. Tip bottle until all powder flows freely at approximately 2/3 of total water for reconstitution. Shake vigorously to wet powder, add remaining water. So the nice thing though is it tells us right here the total of diluent that we're adding. That's 67 milliliters. So how this works is powder has its own volume. So powder isn't just empty random space. When you add water to it, when they combine, they equal the 75 milliliters. So you're going to add 67 milliliters of fluid to the powder to get the 75 milliliters of your solution. So how much diluent will you add? 67 milliliters diluent. Okay. So we've answered the first question. Let's get back to the second question. So we were ordered Augmentin 75 milligrams PO now. So our order, remember order over what we have times the volume. Order is 75 milligrams. What we have is 125 milligrams, and our volume is per 5 milliliters. We're going to take out our labels, so milligrams counters milligrams, and now all we're left is milliliters, which is what we want right here. So now we do the math, which is the 75 divided by 125 times 5. We're going to do our handy dandy calculator here. 75 divided by 125 equals 0.6 times 5 equals 3. So we know that we're going to draw up 3 milliliters. Hopefully this helps you understand a little bit about why we're doing dilutants and how we're doing dilutants, and then the math involved in solving our problem. Now, second check. Always, always, always second check. Our order is 75 milligrams, which we put here, 75 milligrams. What we have is 125 milligrams, and 5 milliliters. There's our volume. Okay, so 75 divided by 125 times 5 equals 3 milliliters. We're going to do it on the calculator one more time, because you know you want to get 100 on that Patho Phys math quiz. So always do your math twice. All right, 3 milliliters is our same answer. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, or if you have a particularly tricky question that you're looking for, please put it in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe the videos so that you're notified when I put new videos up. Hopefully, together, you're going to ace Patho Farm. Thank you for watching. Remember to click like and subscribe. And remember, you've got this.